Being aluminum, it's going to be a lot harder to get certain things to move. But you can always attempt it.
Can we do a paintless dent repair for this?
Maybe.
See, this is why I like you. This is why I like it, because it's not a no. Most people would look at this and they would go, "Oh my goodness, you'd never be able to fix this using paintless dent repair." And that may be true, but I just want to try. I just want, you know, I mean, it looks a little. Oh boy, it looks really bad. But I think, you know, we could probably get this out a little bit, right?